So this is another YouTube channel, and this is called the this roleplay is called. Wait. This roleplay is called the. Oh gosh. Please wait. I really want to buy this, but it's expensive. Or expensive. I don't know what the name is, but expensive. Yeah, expensive. It's expensive. One crumpet. 25 people. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. What the? This is a glitch. Okay. I know a trick. Oh. Okay. At the end of the line. Oh, 6. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, cool. Dude. Oh, Jim. Oh, whatever. At the end of the night. At the end of the night. Oh. 6 people. That's great. 1 carpet. Tip top tops. What? Tip top tops? What does that mean? Okay, go back. Let's go back to Tukabuki. Stupid. My iPad. Oh. Guys, I'm using my oh my goodness. Oh, where's the family here? And the end, the night, what the? Okay. Hey, what the? At the end of the night, at the end of the night. Okay. Happy birthday. It's happy birthday. Wait, we're gonna get a break. So now I'm back. Bestie, what are we supposed to do, Bestie? I don't know. There's nothing literally to do. I don't know. What should we literally do? This roleplay is called The Murderer. I know what else we do. What is it? Please just talk about it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ugh. Portrait. Oh gosh. Put your glasses back on too. Oh gosh. Okay. Now it's gonna. What the? Okay, bye. I don't know what it's gonna done it for, but can I play with your alarm? Sure, fine. or my Nintendo Switch. You know what I mean? Yeah, girl. No. Okay. My Switch. Oh. Oh. Oh my god! This stupid little pillow. Ugh. I hate pillows. Especially in Toka, not in real life. Because they're so fluffy. I like a cinema soft pillow, like Superstar. Okay, stop playing. Okay, I'm just gonna go like make my characters because I didn't make them yet. You didn't make them, girl. You're such not addicted to Tokaboki. You're so addicted to Roblox. Oh gosh, I'm not addicted, girl. I just love the Roblox. It's okay. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna play my phone. Oh my god! What? Hey honey, I'm just gonna like go and I'm on my iPad. Oh, hey Bess. I got Bess. Hey honey. Hey mama. I gotta sit next to you. Okay, can I sit on your lap? No, you can't, honey. You're too big now. Okay. Oh my gosh. So sorry. That was a tree. Ring, ring, ring. Beep, 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 beep. Attention. There is a murderer. No, not the murderer. This little place called the Tornado. The tornado warning. Stay safe and shut up all shut up and please shut up all lights and stay hidden and also be safe and be careful of some lightning, more tornadoes or anything or other dangerous stuff or animals or even wild animals. Don't go to this super dangerous place. It's called Lava Valley, and this is also the one. It's the most dangerous valley in the whole entire Toka world, in the whole entire Toka month, Toka world, not month. And also, this valley is called oh my god, the zombie and cologne zombie virus and valley. No virus, valley. And stay hidden, please. I repeat, stay hidden. That's your dues, baby C. Oh, that's mine. Oh my god, honey. Mama, is this really true? Honey, what did you do? It's not her fault. She's crying because of the tornado warning. What do you mean the tornado warning? Just look at my news. Says the same thing. Oh my goodness. Come on. Oh, let's pack and this is the stuff. Are you serious? Why did my phone shut up? Shut. Beep. What did just happen? This stupid little electronics. Yeah, I hate this stupid little electronics. They're stupid and they turn off very quick. There must be a low battery or something. I don't know. Maybe because, yeah, I hate these. I'm just gonna put it back in your thing, I hate this. I just watch TV, I don't care. Where's your remote? Oh. Well, no, I'm gonna find the remote. Pretend this is like in a remote. Shh. Because it's looked like a remote. So yeah, I'm just gonna change it to pink. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's get back to the video. Turn on. Why is it not turning on? Yeah, it's so weird. It's very creepy. All electronics and the devices are not even turning on right now. This now? Oh, yeah, you're right, bestie. Turn on right. Turn on now, turn on now, turn on now, turn on now, turn on now. Turn it. Wait, pretend it was night in the first place, guys. Cause yeah. I don't like it. Oh my god. Did the power just go off? Maybe. Mom? Oh, girl, that's not your mom. Pretend that Ava said mom. Mom? Oh my god, beep. Okay guys, I'm just gonna get a little break. Again, I'm so. Guys, how did it turn it off right now? Honey, we gotta do something. Beep. Mommy's light turned off. Why does she sound like a baby kangaroo? What the flip? Oh. Oh my god, that's funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna break out. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, okay, you hear me? It's okay. Literally, it's literally okay. Mama, I'm scared. It's okay. Hear me? It's okay. Oh god, sure. Go. Is she wearing the pacifier? Here, get your stupid pacifier so you can shut up and calm down. Calm down. My electronics unit, it's not opening. Duh, there's no power. That happens when there's no power. Come on, young women. Come on, change your pajamas. It's almost bedtime. Oh, I don't know. Honey! Oh my god. Bestie, there's literally no power. Oh. Okay. Okay, guys, deep breath. It's okay, it's okay. Let's just calm down. But Mom, what are we gonna do? Yeah, man. Yeah, Miss Williams, what are we gonna do? We're gonna have to find... Oh, wait, where is she? we're gonna have to find somewhere to like somewhere to like somewhere to I don't know, somewhere should be safe. Okay, Miss Williams. Yeah, I listen to you, Mom. Okay, I gotta take a break again. So sorry, guys. That's the third time I did that a break. Oh my god, we're so dead from this stupid tornado. Mom. Mom. Yeah, Miss Williams, come on. Just you girls stay in the bathroom. But what about you guys? Well, hold your little hold your little sister. Okay. Not Kayla. Hold your little Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Honey, hold your sister. Okay, Mom. Just go into the bathroom. I'll take you guys there. Okay, let's go. Okay. We all are. Okay. Are you guys gonna be okay? Yeah, we're gonna be okay. Just staying here. Are you sure, Miss Williams? Yeah, we're sure. Come on, honey, let's go pack and let's go to the grocery store. Okay, honey, it's like raining and hailing outside. Pretend it was raining in the first place as well, guys. Okay, let's go. Dress up. Can we borrow some of your A's? Oh, I'm just gonna Okay, I'm just gonna like stay here and wait for you. Okay, I'm gonna like. Oh wait, she needs a bottle. She needs a bottle. Honey, don't forget your sister needs a bottle and a toy. Okay, Dad. Okay. Don't drink that bottle, Sapphire. I mean, she's Crystal. Okay, let's go. Okay. Why did they sound like a tongue? Okay, let's get that. Let's go to the freaking grocery shop. Oh, not here yet. I'm not gonna like go here yet. I'm just gonna go into the storage area because pretend their house is like so close from the storage room. Why is there a green thing? That's weird, guys. Oh. Oh gosh, what the flip was that? Oh, that, what is, what the flip? Okay, the tenders, their house is like so close from here. It's like over there to the right a little bit, far a little bit. So let's just find the parent. Where's the to roll? Like a letter roll. Where are you guys here? Okay. Babe, it's literally like hailing in here. Yeah, it's literally like hailing. The stupid tornado. Is this literally true? Babe? What is it? Babe. You better look at there. Over there. What is it? Oh my goodness. Is that the tornado? Guys, pretend you can like see the tornado over there at the building section, and we're like swallowing and sucking up the old buildings in the town and Toko Town. So pretend like that. Oh my god, is that the tornado over there? Yeah, I saw it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's literally like hailing in here. It's raining. Cover you guys up itself. Did he just got struck by lightning? Oh my gosh. Let's go! Oh. They got struck by lightning. Oh my gosh, I gotta take care of these kids already. Oh my goodness. I gotta take them to the hospital. These kids. I gotta get them right now. I hate these little kids. They're not supposed to be out here alone. I guess there is two of them, so they're not alone. Okay, let's go over here. Oh no, not here. Oh god. $150. 50? What is a 50, guys? Guys, what is a 50? I don't know. I even don't know what a 50 is. What the flip is a 50? Oh my god. Stop saying bad words, kid. Oh my god. I hate these stupid little cats. Man, can you take care of these little kids? I'm just gonna sit over here. Man. Oh, sir, you're not supposed to be out here. I mean, it's inside, so you're not supposed to be in here. What are you gonna do? I'm just here to take over this little kids. I get this. Look up the ticket. I got a ticket to the bus. Bus. What is it? Pretend. Get him out of the seat. Pretend he's like not hailing. Okay. What do you want? Can you like put one of these kids over here? I mean, they are adults, so they're not kids. So these kind of like women in and this kind of like women and guys of some sort who I don't even know what their name is. So yeah. Oh, I know their name. What is it? Their name is Stella and Marielle. Oh. No, not Stella. This guy's name is Peter and Marielle. That's their names. Oh. I mean, this is Williams. Oh, okay. What should I take first? Marielle. Oh, okay. Get out of the stupid seat. Okay. I'm gonna stay back here. Wait, I'm a dead. Oh gosh. I gotta like take some surgery on her, like for Marielle. Oh wait, she kinda like needs this thing to like cut her blood a little bit. There we go. Who are they working on first? Marielle. Who's Marielle? The girl that you helped earlier? Ugh, what about the guy? His name is, I don't know. Boss, what is his name again? Williams. Mr. Williams. Ugh, I'm Mr. Williams. Ugh. Actually, I'm Mr. Zeke. Oh, Mr. Zeke. You have a girlfriend. You seem alone. You're not supposed to be out here alone. Yeah, I do have a crush. Who do you have a crush? Young man. You don't look like a young man. You're just an adult. A stupid little adult. I'm just gonna read a book because my name is Zeke and I have a crush on a friend. Who is it? Whose girl is that? What girl is what is her name? Her name is Nari and she has black hair and her cooking is the best. Oh, what about Rita? Who's Rita? Oh, how did you know my other friend's name? Because I watch their videos every day. Oh, wait, our videos? Yeah, duh. Are you like guys from Toka World? Yeah, what do you mean? Like, bruh, what do you mean? I'm just saying I'm watching your videos. I'm gonna watch it right now. Guys, I'm just gonna get a video Toka World because I know. Oh, how many subscribers do I have? 92. Last time it was like 93 maybe. I don't know. Toka World. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay, what was that? Oh, oh, what? 4 million. Wait, what? What? That was weird, guys. Literally. Oh, this is this. I need to watch her videos, girl. We love fun. Remember when Rita? Sorry about that. That was Rita, guys. Dun 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 dun. Ugh, stupid whatever videos again. Man, can you please stop watching that show? You're an adult now. Just please, you're not a little kid anymore. Fine, fine. But their videos are just so cool. Maybe I'm the coolest one here, man. Don't tell me what to do. There's only one cool one here. Who is it? There's only one cool one here. Who? It's Nari, obviously. Wait. Nari is cool. Oh. Yeah, Nari's definitely so cool.
Sagutan mo. Puto mga kaya